Welcome to the Central Sterilization Solutions Online CRCST course. In this video today, we're going to go over how to access the online content and what to expect next as you progress through our online program. After your purchase, students will be granted access to our amazing online content. Our team will be also shipping you your course textbooks. The estimated delivery time is between 2 and 4 business days. While we wait for your course textbooks to arrive by mail, let's jump into our online CRCST course. Accessing the online program is made simple. Simply navigate to your preferred browser, either mobile, tablet, or desktop browsers are supported. Navigate to our home screen. You will notice in the top right-hand corner of your screen, there will be a login option. Either tap or drag your cursor to the top right-hand corner of the screen and select Login. A new window will appear. Select Login with Email. Fill in your personal email used at checkout. In this example, we'll be using a test email. After typing in your email, fill in your password. If you don't remember your password or need assistance, go ahead and select Forgot Password on this page. The system will send you an automated email with instructions on how to reset your password. Select Sign In. The course will provide you our company logo and then navigate you to your personal profile. Let's take some time to get familiar with our course page. On the top right-hand side, you will notice some controls for your profile. If you select Complete Profile in the top right-hand corner, you will be prompted to fill in more details about your user experience. You can, at this time, choose to enter information or not. This is not mandatory to use the online CRCST program. To close the window, select the X in the top right-hand corner. This will minimize the display, bringing us back to home. Now, on the left-hand side, you will notice additional options. As we drag our cursor or tap using our mobile or tablet devices, the column on the left-hand side will expand. This will provide us our links to courses, messages, activity, and dashboard. For the purpose of this video, let's navigate to courses. This will provide you access to the enrolled courses you have purchased. On this screen, select Start Course. You will notice the page will reload, scroll up to the top of the page, and select Start Course. This will take you to the CRCST online course. Now, before we start going through the content here, I want to discuss the user interface on the course. On the top left-hand side of our screen, you will notice a back arrow, a search function, a message icon, an expansion icon. Closely to the expansion icon, you will notice 2 arrows pointing to the left. If you select this option, you can expand the window. We can select those 2 arrows that are now pointing to the right to expand fully. This will provide us a full overview of the curriculum on the far left-hand side. Each unit has the ability to expand. This will provide you a full detail of the upcoming chapters or units. All right, let's start navigating through the online program. Now, I personally like to view everything in full screen. Let's select those 2 arrows in the top left-hand corner to expand our window. On this page, simply scroll down to view more of the content. To start the video, select the play button in the bottom left-hand corner or simply tap if you're using a mobile device. Students can simply pause the video by selecting the pause icon in the bottom left-hand corner or simply tapping the video on mobile. Now that we've finished watching the video and read all of the content on this page, there will be 3 ways to progress to the next step. On your screen, on the top right-hand corner, you will notice a Next Unit button. On the bottom of the screen, you will also see a large button displayed. This can be easily selected to the next step. On the top left-hand side of our screen, we will be able to expand the curriculum by selecting the 2 arrows. By expanding these 2 arrows, we'll be able to expand the introduction, which is our current step, and click on the next step listed below the Welcome CSS Online CRCST. Students can select any of the 3 ways to progress to the next step. In this example, we're going to scroll down to the bottom of our current page and select Online Course Instructions. This will take us to the next step. Now, as we look at the curriculum on the left-hand side of our screen, we will now notice a green checkbox next to the steps we have completed. This is a common theme as you progress through our online program. Each step, quiz, or exam will example a green check mark once you've completed. The system will keep track of your progress as you continue. Please continue to the next step on the online CRCST course to continue learning more about our amazing program.